Hi, I'm Sam Johnson. I'm a shipwright working on Winnie Estelle. I first came to Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum in 2022 to help finish the construction of Maryland Dove. This fall, I returned to help with the refit of Winnie Estelle. As she's a 104-year-old workboat, it's a pretty special thing to be part of her story. Currently, we're replacing some strakes of planking, which is this lovely Atlantic white cedar, which you can see now is bent onto the hull using a system of clamps and opposing wedges. You can see this gap right here on the edge. That is intentional to receive the caulking that will go between the planks and render them watertight. Inside, however, the plank is butted directly against the one above it. The first step of fitting one of these planks is first planing the top edge smooth and adding the bevel for the caulking. Then we put it into place on the outside of the hull. We drill and countersink the locations of each of our fasteners, and then we used bronze screws coated with beeswax to secure the plank in position. We use beeswax to help the smooth entry of the fastener. Once the fasteners have secured the plank to the frames, which you can see here, we will remove all the clamps, all the wedges, and all the blocks. Repeat the same process for one more strake of Atlantic white cedar, and then on top of the chine log will be another strake of planking made from Angelique, which is the same tropical hardwood that this component is made from. We're a couple of days in on the planking process, and it's going quicker than I expected. However, we'll be at it for a while, and so if you'd like to visit the shipyard, we'll be happy to answer any questions and you can see the process taking place.